Did you know that the absolute most common reason big celebrations run totally off schedule has absolutely nothing to do with the catering? It's actually the parking. Today, we're breaking down the logistics of flawless baby shower transportation right here in Connecticut and taking a look at how absolute transportation fundamentally changes the way your group arrives.
Think about it for a second. You spend months, literally months, planning the perfect venue. The decor is absolutely flawless, the menu is completely set, but the single most overlooked detail of event planning is how everyone is actually going to get there. A chaotic, stressful arrival? Well, that can easily sour the mood of a beautiful day before it even begins.
When we just leave guests to figure out their own travel, we're basically inviting in a whole host of unpredictable variables. We're talking serious parking stress, complicated navigation through unfamiliar Connecticut traffic, and those dreaded staggered late arrivals. Let's be real, no host wants half the room missing when the mom-to-be makes her grand entrance. So let's compare the alternatives. If you're relying on individual ride shares, you are definitely risking unpredictable surge pricing, separated groups, and honestly, zero control as the host. On the flip side, chartering through absolute transportation, that gives you centralized booking, a flat rate guaranteed price, and the absolute unbeatable perk of everyone arriving together at the exact same time. So, what does this solution actually look like in practice? Well, it requires an incredibly diverse, meticulously maintained fleet. For a nice, intimate VIP group of, say, 6 to 8 people, a luxury sedan or a premium SUV sets the perfect tone. Scaling up to 14 guests, a Sprinter van is going to give you the extra headroom you need for all those oversized gifts. And for larger groups, stepping onto a full-size charter or party bus instantly kicks off that fun pre-party atmosphere. Executing all of this flawlessly requires a literal masterclass in timing. Imagine this: 45 minutes prior to the event, strategic staggered pickups begin. While in transit, chauffeurs are utilizing consolidated routes for maximum efficiency. And it all culminates in what we call 0 hour, a flawlessly timed group arrival where the celebration starts the absolute second the doors open. Now, logistics can definitely get a little tricky when your guests are scattered all over the place, right? But this is exactly where regional expertise really shines. Absolute seamlessly coordinates pickups across Stamford, Greenwich, New Haven, and Hartford. They even bridge the gap for your out-of-towners, smoothly merging those local routes with arrivals at regional hubs like JFK, LaGuardia, Newark, Bradley, and Westchester. So what actually elevates absolute transportation from just, a simple ride to a truly premium service? It really comes down to rock-solid reliability. They are operating 24/7, 365 days a year. They monitor real-time flight tracking so they can instantly adapt to any annoying delays. Plus, you are guaranteed a fully licensed, rigorously background check professional chauffeur with absolutely zero surge pricing. It is just fully insured, DOT-compliant peace of mind. It really all boils down to this one core philosophy. Give your guests the gift of a stress-free arrival and departure. Because upgrading the travel experience isn't just about moving people from point A to point B, it's about setting a relaxed, joyous tone for the entire day. When the logistics are completely handled, everyone is present, comfortable, and fully focused on what matters, celebrating the mom-to-be. Bringing this level of polish to your next event is actually incredibly straightforward. You can just visit absolutetransportation.com or give their 24/7 team a call to build a personalized quote and lock in your reservation. Seriously, let the professionals handle the logistics so you don't have to worry about a thing. I'll leave you with this final thought for today's explainer. Is your next big celebration going to kick off with frantic text messages from a crowded, stressful parking lot? Or with a luxurious, worry-free toast on the road together? The choice is completely yours. Thanks so much for joining us, and happy planning.